According to the United Nations, in 2018, an estimated 55.3% of the world's population lived in urban settlements. By 2030, urban areas are projected to house 60% of people globally, and 1 in every 3 people will live in cities with at least half a million inhabitants. But how will so many people live comfortably on such small plots of land? The answer is skyscrapers. Skyscrapers, defined as continuously habitable high-rise buildings that have over 40 floors and are taller than approximately 150 meters, have been my biggest passion ever since I first laid my eyes on 432 Park Avenue, the tallest residential building in the world in 7th grade. I'm in 12th grade now, and that fascination still has not wavered. Each time I see a skyscraper, my mind runs wild. How was it designed to mitigate the effects of wind at high altitudes? How did architects work to design the building to interact best with the neighborhood it was placed in? How do material scientists design compounds strong enough to hold up thousands of tons of concrete? Living in the suburbs of New York City, my interaction with skyscrapers is unavoidable. As I look out my bedroom window at 432 Park Avenue and other super tall structures that dominate the Midtown skyline each day, every time I gaze at a skyscraper, I can't help but ponder their complexities, including the engineering, architecture, and material science that went into making them stand. This fascination led me to design various scale 3D models of skyscrapers so I could investigate them without conducting site visits. One model of 432 Park Avenue even enables me to study the voids designed in the structure of the building to allow for wind to pass through the rigid core. In the future, I plan to work with skyscrapers on a daily basis as I pursue the field of civil engineering in higher education and use my knowledge to design and construct sustainable and efficient structures primed to serve the massive influx of people into urban centers around the world. Skyscrapers are the future of city living. Skyscrapers are fascinating structures. Skyscrapers are my passion.